Most people will never see what actually goes on. And a fucking draining energy. But as it is. What do you think, Danjo? Wild hard out life, hey? You them done today? Professional labeler by hand. One of the things that happened, guys, is labels came gloss instead of matte. So can't run them back through the factory. You need to pull them off by hand, put new ones on by hand. First time ever. So I volunteered to do it for free. Taking up that offer. No, that's fine the way you done that, so it doesn't alter it backwards. That's what you checked there, didn't you? Right, but what about when you do it forwards? Because what you're going to do is you're going to go in and drop all the percentage changes through Shopify. That's going to change them all on each platform then. So then you have to go into each platform to edit it for that platform, which will be different, and that's every single SKU, which is a lot of manual work within overnight. But you can do it backwards, but see the way you done it backwards. So if you go in now to put up our percentages for the Black Friday, it's then going to fuck us up, because it'll undo all your work. You need to do it.
If you go in through the Shopify and then it's just a everywhere sale.
Yeah, you could do that as it is, as we've done, planned. Then go back in and change it to make it suit what we are actually going to do it.
So you're going to have different...
On different platforms. I want different sales on different platforms. What a fucking cunt. Huh? Do you know why I want that though? Each platform I want to drive traffic to it. Because of the algorithm, because of everything that it's going to do on the benefit of awareness, not for sales.
I know you're saying that, right, but at what point you're splitting the consumer base. So if you're telling your Instagram audience to go anywhere for different deals, but it should be the opposite. You should be pulling people from TikTok to shop on TikTok Shop. You should be pulling people from Instagram to shop on maybe eBay, Amazon or Shopify. Do you know what I mean? You don't want people going from Instagram to go over to your TikTok. You want people to go on to either Shopify, Amazon or eBay. Because TikTok is its own social media platform.
Yeah, but if there's certain people on Instagram who isn't aware of us on TikTok Shop, and I go, we're up to 75% off here, click the link below, but then I do another ad and it's 60% off TikTok Shop on everything, which some things in here is 40%. I'm driving traffic to there.
You can't do that, anyway.
Why?
Because sure on Blend everything goes back to Shopify.
Wait.
Sure on TikTok. Right? You put an ad up on
Oh, I know,
Blend.
I know.
The link below won't go to TikTok.
No, it will.
But it won't.
It will, because I'm going to campaign it individually for each one, and nothing else.
No, but I don't think you understand what I'm saying.
Why?
The link below
Yep.
has to go to a Shopify page, which is Elevate.
No. Oh yeah, but them ads won't have a link. It'll only be the ad for the shop. So when I set up the 75% off, click link below, Shopify. Alright? The next ones I'm going to say is, so this is a campaign on its own for TikTok Shop. Up to everything is 60% off. That is in a campaign of its own, only for TikTok Shop. So that ad's running on TikTok Shop, nowhere else.
But the link that you're clicking on will always take you back to Shopify.
There won't be a link.
So you're just, okay, I get it now.
You get it?
I get it.
So that's running on that platform. Then an eBay one is going to go on Google and the other ones.
Okay.
So you're going to select.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to.
See the way that went there? You.
This will work, but won't it? Because what I'm creating is one big funnel that I'm going to pull from everyone, and it doesn't matter what platform they buy through. But if they're using their brains and they want a better deal, and they see that on TikTok Shop, they're going to go there for 60% off. it all comes back to here anyway. I'm actually going to lose money at this, but it's not about money here. This is about awareness. This is about people then going, fuck, TikTok shop, TikTok shop, TikTok shop, and driving traffic through that. What have they on TikTok shop? That was different price on TikTok shop than their website.
What are you talking about then? So like, say, sleep aid.
I'm going to lose money.
40, what is it? What is it?
47.99.
What is the sale?
On TikTok shop?
No. Say that 3 times.
TikTok shop.
So no, but what I'm saying is, right, so TikTok shop is how much is the sleep aid going to be off on it against how much is going to be off on eBay and Elevate website. And what order?
This
website.
This is going out on the mall. How many people do we target? We have Google, Meta, and TikTok shop. No, we can't do TikTok. That needs to be left off it, right? YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
These 3 on that campaign, right? Which is Shopify. This one here, campaign of its own, TikTok shop. eBay is going to have to go through where? Google search, and that's it. Campaign. This one hits all platforms. And this one here then is TikTok shop. This one here is eBay. But this here, the thing is, in here, this is this way. This is fucking up to 75%, where these are set. So actually, in here on TikTok shop, you'll maybe find something that's 40% off here, 60% off here.
So I just go through them all and hit 60% off and all.
No, because here's what's going to happen. When you fucking create this, these all change.
I think I can make that stop from happening.
Can you?
So.
You done it this way backwards there, that didn't change. So if you do it this way forwards, they'll change to whatever these are set. Then you have to go in and go 10%, 20%.
I can change that first and then change them.
No, because once you change that last, it'll change all them again. It'll undo all your work.
That's what I mean. I can change the first one first.
Oh, well, you have to, yeah.
And then I'll do the other one.
You have to. And it's because they're all linked. If they weren't all linked, it'd be easy. So now I need to change my clothes 3 times. We need to do 3 videos. These 3 videos for these 3. And these are going on ads. Black Friday week. Then we need to do what? The giveaway. The whole point of the giveaway is, again, going on all campaign hitting all fucking platforms, to go drive traffic to Instagram, to collect followers on Instagram for awareness. Again, everything's about awareness, brand awareness. It's going to cost me money on ad spend. It's going to cost me money on losing, actually, because some of these things are going to be going out cheaper than I buy them for. But I don't care. I'm going to take a temporary loss for the bigger picture, and everyone who comes through Shopify, we hopefully get them on subscription, or at least to sign up to our emails. Then we can drive campaigns through emails and get repeat custom and build loyalty, build customer support, build everything in that as a community. Because then the DTC over our B2B and over everything else, that's where we're going to make the money eventually, and build Elevate as a brand. So yeah, as much as I have a target to hit here, I'm actually cutting the chances down of hitting my own target by putting on that big a percentage. And I don't believe anyone else out there is going to take a loss unless they're in their first or second year of business in Black Friday. Because it's for awareness, it's not for the purpose of money and revenue. And if I didn't have money, you wouldn't be able to do that. No one would be able to do that because they go, well, all my stock's away and I'm left with this pot of money that now I can't reinvest it, but even bring back stock. You know what I mean? I believe on Amazon there's already a campaign set in place for Black Friday.
Yep.
Then them guys are obviously going to work here between now and then to hopefully drive what's on there in the FBA up and hopefully bring people back to our shop front by saying, well, leave the FBM for the rest of the SKUs. Does all that make sense? Is all that right, or have I fucking just been...
Nail on the head, like.
Aye.
But easy enough done. I'm just going to go in here onto the back end of eBay and see how easy it is, because I'll be a busy boy the night before Black Friday sale.
Well, this is why, no, you won't, because what I'll do for you is I'll give you figures, right? So that's why this is set. See these is up to 75%. So the likes of this could be, well, we have it wrote and done, the design's just done, isn't that right? You have them all done?
Yeah.
So the likes of that could be 30% off, right? But on TikTok shop it's going to be 60% off.
Mm-hmm.
I'll get you a figure, I'll get you that percentage figure. So whenever you have a sheet, you go into TikTok shop, all you need to go is boom, that price, that price, that price, that price.
So I don't need to sit and work out the...
No, I'll have it done for you.
Good man. Thank fuck.
You know what I mean? But,
Dreamwork makes a dream work,
but
yeah.
that'll already be changed to maybe 40% on certain SKUs. That'll maybe be changed to maybe 75% on a certain SKU. But you need to bring it to the 60. I'll have that done. Because I'll just take the RRP and take it at 60% of everything here. You know what I mean? And 50% of everything.
That's handy.
So I'll have the SKU, and then I'll have 60% for TikTok shop and then 50% for eBay. 2 figures for that same SKU. And you'll know which one. Easy. And the other ones is done. They're done. It's only a matter of you have them all done.
Yeah.
That's it then. Let's make some content. You've got B-roll, or you're going to take B-roll today, are you?
Yes. We've got 3 videos to shoot here.
Black Friday week is here, guys, and at Elevate Supplements we have an amazing 75%. Fuck, wrong. Black Friday week, guys. Black Friday, where it is absolutely fucking shit. Black Friday week is here, guys. We've been waiting for this all year round to give back to you guys an amazing up to 75% off. Click the link below and let's elevate. Can we like blur out the abs? Can you like contour those wee bad boys then? TikTok shoppers, if you're wanting an amazing Black Friday offer, we have 60% off our full range at Elevate. Shop now. Massive. Went for a small. Listen, if you want to make your business work, you're going to hit your work. Am I comfortable doing this? Am I fuck comfortable doing this? But look, it is what it is. There's offers on, there's deals on. I hope you all got the offers. You'll be watching this post Black Friday, so the products are amazing. You guys are amazing. We appreciate everyone who buys the products. Let's crack on with the next video. Guys, it is Black Friday week. At Elevate here, we have an amazing up to 75% off on our website. If you're on TikTok shop, we will have 60% off the full range in TikTok shop. And if you're on eBay and you shop on eBay, we have 50% off everything on eBay. So click the link, find yourselves our website, get yourself a bargain whilst you can. And if you're on any other platform, check them out. There is offers on there at the 50 and 60% that isn't in store. Check them out. Tabad blue. Just now the random Tabad blue line there. Another scam. So as you'll see there, guys, that was the videos. I don't know if Corey's put in some of the bloopers and stuff, but it's behind the scenes. We're wanting to show real, raw, what goes on behind building a six-figure brand. It is now 3 p.m. in the day, and I must jump onto a Zoom call here with an athlete who is Emma Quinn. Emma is just off stage. Last weekend we were at Galway PCA, a couple of videos ago probably, where I want to just check in on her, want to see where her head's at, I want to see what her goals is leading forward and running into 2026 shows. We need to build a little bit of tissue, what she's going to be doing, what training she's going to be doing with Vinny and stuff in the background, and run through that with coach-client compliance and make sure that her head's in a good place. Obviously, within the mindset coaching, what I do in NLP, personal development, mentorship, we've taken Emma through all of that, so she's juggling a lot of plates. But we must make sure that her mindset and her head is locked in for her goals and her vision, but also within leniency, flexibility and freedom, that bodybuilding doesn't take over her life, that bodybuilding becomes part of her life again, because she lost her way in bodybuilding 2.5 years ago, and now she's back. She's done a little bit of high rocks. I coached her through the high rocks. She's now back into the bodybuilding scene, and we're coming for pro cards, guys. We're coming for pro cards. If you see there, what we have is from Pro Coach. That was given to me from a gift from Callum Rastick, the man himself, and this was to do with my massage business. Not many people will know on this channel that I was traveling the world. We went to Olympia, we've been everywhere within the massage. It's currently closed. I do plan on reopening at some point, but I must get on this Zoom and see what the story is with Emma, and then we're going to get back to planning our Black Friday a little bit more in depth, and what we were going to do, figures, percentages, and give you guys some deals, some offers. Like I said, somewhere through this, it's for brand awareness. This is not for revenue, this is not for the business to earn to then grow. It's actually for awareness to grow, and the more and more people that are aware of Elevate, the more and more people elevate. So guys, that is done. In a really good place with Emma. She's super happy moving forward, coming out of post show. There is actually no blues at all. She is not lost. We have a plan set in place. I collected a lot of notes, a lot of data there, asked a lot of questions, I got a lot of answers, and we're in a really good place. As you'll see, I've actually changed again, because we just done one for YouTube short, which will be going up very soon. Actually, all this is all done, isn't it? All arse with face. Guys, listen, it's real. It is what it is. I'm trying to get into the way of doing things like January sales in November. You know what I mean? It's mad. But the whole point of all this is all continuously going up, and we can sort of have a little bit of flexibility and freedom within the e-commerce brand. And if that is what you're looking for, and you're wanting to learn off of me in person, you can join my mentorship, and I will guide you to not make the mistakes that we have made, that you will actually elevate faster. So remember, please like, subscribe, tell a friend, and make sure to stay on top of watching Elevate. Guys, thank you very much. Until next time, have an amazing day.